Hey guys, DK12 again. Today I'm with my neighbor and my next door neighbor's truck that I filmed a video of a long time ago, and we're at a landfill place that we're going to. And right now we're listening to U2 With or Without You if you listen. I'm playing it on a CD. And we're going to be getting rid of some old junk to bring into the dumpsters there. The big hills up there are only for workers. And as you can see, there's a truck right there dumping out garbage, I think. Yeah.
There's 3 lanes, Ross.
Yep. That's my next door neighbor Mary talking. Now we gotta be careful here because there's a bump. And there's a dump truck of some sort up ahead. And you can see the sign up there that says speed limit 20. There's another line of trucks over there. Here's another speed bump. There's another sign there that says caution speed bump. Looks like, are we going into that building there?
We go on the outside, just like that truck is doing. Yep, that's what
Oh,
we're
I
doing.
see. We'll just shut off the radio for now, so we can pay attention. And I don't know how well you can see, but over there's a sign that has an arrow crossed off, which means you can't turn right. I don't know how well you can see it from that far, but once we get closer, you'll be able to see it.
There's a pretty long line here.
Oh, there's the speed bump we're going over. I can feel it. I know you guys can't feel it because you're not with us filming the video. Yeah, if you were with us, you could definitely feel it. Now, just to let you guys know, depending upon how long we wait, I might have to make a part 2 of this thing. Because I can only record my videos up to 15 minutes, unfortunately. And I'll get them all published as soon as possible. But you guys remember when I did a video of this truck? Where my neighbors were fixing their boat up? Now we're going to put the truck in park, and we'll wait for a bit. And there's another truck down there going in. It's got a trailer. I think it might be a Chevrolet truck. Oh, looks like they're going a little bit. Oh, there's a garbage truck right there, as you can tell. There was a sign on that garbage truck that said, keep back 50 feet.
Here's another one coming.
Oh. There's a big number 64 on that thing. And there's another garbage truck that says, keep back 50 feet. Looks like this truck is a Mack.
Mm-hmm.
What does it say underneath it?
Mack trailer.
Mack trailer. That's kind of cool. But there's some printing on the back of that truck that you can barely see, which says It almost looks like it's starting to wear off. It says CT32. And there's a sign over there that says, first time here, questions, lane 1.
That's us.
Yep. Which means if you've been here for the first time, you have to be in lane 1. Looks like we're going forward just a little bit. There is a possibility we may not get to all the way up there in time before this video ends. But if we do get there before this video ends, go ahead. I don't mind if you fast forward to that point. You can always do that if you want. I had this visor thing over here blocking the sun because earlier on our way here the sun was over on this side. Now I'm going to flip it here just so you guys can see a little better. It'll cover up the part of where the sun is. This is my first time doing something like this. I don't know if you heard that, but that was probably the exhaust of the dump truck ahead of us. Yeah, it was the dump truck ahead of us, but I think it was probably the exhaust thing, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, here comes another. Oh, this time it's like a dump truck. It says quality.
Oh, gee whiz.
What you plan?
I was just texting her. So I wanted to know if she wanted me to keep the frog or not. Hi, Deidre. Good. Ross and I are in the truck now at the landfill with a long, long line in front of us. I think everyone did their work over the weekend. Oh, yeah. So I think we'll be here a while.
Tell her what I'm doing.
Oh, Ross is, he is videotaping this on his iPad.
For a YouTube video.
For his YouTube video. So you can watch it, Deidre. Yeah, it's really nice. Ross and I wanted to know, should we keep your metal frog?
That's the one from
Bonnie.
outside?
Yeah.
We don't have to.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's a little rusty. I don't know. We'd have to paint it up and all that type of stuff. That's why I wanted to know if you wanted to do that.
No, that's fine.
Okay. All right. Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Okay. Ross is videotaping this, so I will let you do most of the talking.
Oh, okay. Well, Jeremy's cool. I just want to know how cooked I am.
Yeah, just not sure about that.
We're almost there. As you can see, I have my sunglasses on.
Videotaping this.
Oh, okay, got it. Well, then I will just let you know.
We're almost
Well,
there.
Just think, you can do all the talking and I'm just listening.
Why didn't you answer?
Well, that's because...
Oh, there's the sign I mentioned earlier where you can't turn right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, that's the sign that says you can't turn right that I mentioned earlier, like I mentioned. And there's a one-way sign section over there. And my next door neighbor, she was talking to her older daughter who's married now. She has a metal frog that goes in, that they had in the front of the house that would light up. It's all rusty and old and decrepit. So she just asked if we wanted to get rid of it, and she said, we don't have to keep it.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes another garbage truck. Oh, we're just about getting closer. And there's a sign over there that says wrong way.
So, Ross, this
What?
is interesting. If you don't have your stuff covered, you have to pay an extra $10.
Oh.
Yeah.
Says $10 tarp free.
Fee.
Oh.
Yeah.
Charge to all open loads. Allow traffic from right to merge. Sometimes when I see words, I can't tell what they say, but sometimes I say something I think it says, and then sometimes I find out that's not really what they say, if you know what I mean. We're almost there. As soon as this video hits 15 minutes, which it will soon, I will have to end this video and then make a second part. There's a truck down there with stuff in it. We're getting closer. We're just right around the corner. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here because it's almost 15 minutes. And then I'm going to film again once we get up to there and when we get into the place. So that'll wrap it up for now. So stay tuned for the next part. So peace out and I'll be right back.